The world's biggest exercise in democracy, India's general elections kick off Thursday, and they are a mammoth undertaking. The numbers speak for themselves. First up, nearly 900 million. That's how many people are eligible to vote. Reaching them is a logistical challenge because election guidelines say no voter should be more than 2 kilometers away from a polling station. About 1 million polling stations are being set up from urban centres to highland jungles. Then comes the legion of workers to oversee operations. More than 11 million election officials and security forces. They're being mobilized around the country by boats, rail, roads, and even elephants. But there's still not enough for just one day. So voting takes place in 7 phases spread out over the course of more than 1 month. And that allows workers to be redeployed to ensure the integrity of the vote. But incredibly, after a 5-week process, vote counting for all the ballots in every constituency will be done in a single day, May 23rd, with results to India's 2019 elections due that evening. Gerald Tan, CGTN, Washington.